Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I, Piyush, the member of opposition, would like to ask a question to the Industry Minister of the ruling. What are the key provisions of the Cottage and Handicraft Sector Promotion Act, and how can it be better and better to integrate into Make in India?
Ministry of Industry. Yes, sir. Mr. Sankalp.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I am Sankalp from the Industry Ministry. To answer the question provided by Mr. Piyush from the opposition, the Act in question provides the establishment of a National Handicraft and Cottage Industries Development Board for the development and encouragement and management of handicraft and cottage industries. The function of this board, and I quote from the Act that you are referring, is to plan the operation of craft development in the state and set guidelines for the operation of all such centers, to provide common facilities to craft producers at nominal service charge, to conduct courses for craftsmen, teachers, and other interested groups, and to train or assist financially in the training of personnel in craft development and cottage industry. This Act also mandates a craft development fund to be set up by this board. There shall be a fund for the encouragement, promotion and development of handicraft and cottage industries. There shall be cess on the import and export expenditures of the cottage industries, and funding are provided to these industries through low interest rate loans. To answer the second part of Mr. Piyush's question, integration into Make in India, because it is our people that go into these cottage industries, it enhances local production and collaboration of the government with startups to innovate in design, marketing, leveraging technology for better product reach. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, Mr. Dishant.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I am supporting India's rich tradition of cottage industries. Key provisions include financial assistance. The Act provides financial support through grants and low-interest loans to empower artisans. Skill development. Comprehensive training programs help artisans upgrade their skills to meet modern market demands. विपक्ष का सवाल सिर्फ मुख से हाल, हमारा काम से आती है असली ताल.
Supplementary question, sir? Yes.
The Industry Minister, can you please state your thoughts upon the whether there is an increase or decrease in the percentage of people with the enrollment in the cottage and handicraft sector after the Act was released?
Yes. Ministry of Industry?
Have the specific statistics and the numbers. I do believe that this Act has caused an increase in the number of people enrolling in small scale and cottage industries.